Introduction to Percentages Tutorials and Revision Guides. In this set of math tutorials we cover percentages in detail with clear guides, percentages formulas and working examples. This chapter contains 4 tutorials with a total of 20 lessons. Each tutorial includes example questions, a revision guide and supporting percentages calculators. We also provide online percentages calculators which allow you to calculate specific percentages formula in support of the tutorials, or to check and verify your own calculations in support of your percentages homework, math coursework, or to help you improve your own understanding so it is easier to teach your children percentages. This chapter, consisting of 4 tutorials, is about percentages, one of the methods used for expressing whole and especially non-whole numbers. Other methods include ordinary numbers, fractions, decimals and expanded form, all of them explained in previous chapters, as well as the standard form that we explain in Chapter 7. The first tutorial begins with the definition of percentages and the method of expressing them. Then, we continue with procedures involving percentages such as writing a number as a percentage of another number, how to find the percentage of an amount, and finding the percentage of another percentage of an amount. In addition, we deal with basic operations involving percentages such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers written as percentages. The second tutorial explains how to switch between percentages, fractions and decimals. Moreover, we explain through examples how to compare numbers written in all these forms. The third tutorial is about percentage change, a concept that includes 2 sub-concepts, percentage increase and decrease. Another procedure discussed in this guide that involves percentages is finding the original value after a percentage change. Last, percentage distribution is another important topic that tells us how various values expressed in percentages are distributed in a data set. The fourth and last tutorial focuses on the banking sector, more specifically on how percentages apply in bank interests. Key terms used in banking such as principal, interest and interest rate accompany and illustrate the main concepts of this guide, namely simple and compound interest, 2 types of interest used in the banking sector. The concept of compound percentage change, a general concept applied in many fields of science, is used as an introduction to compound interest change for a better understanding. That is all for introduction to percentages. To start this chapter, please watch the first tutorial 5.1, Definition of Percentages. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.iCalculator.info.